Welcome back to the CHS Pulse. I'm Emma Goodhart.
And I'm Owen Whalewander. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone.
I just love St. Patrick's Day. There are so many fun traditions to celebrate.
One of my favorite traditions is when my grandma makes Irish soda bread.
You know, I'd never had Irish soda bread until Sarah brought some to our class. Let's take a look at how she made it.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. I'm your host, Sarah Pettigene, and today we're going to be making Irish soda bread in honor of St. Patrick's Day. I have my oven set to 375 and my pan lined with parchment paper. Now I'm ready to start on my dry ingredients. My dry ingredients are all combined. Now I'm going to add the butter. My dry ingredients are all mixed. Now I can start on the wet ingredients. Now I'm going to whisk the buttermilk and the egg. My next step is to zest 1 teaspoon of this orange. Now I'm ready to whisk all my wet ingredients together. My dry ingredients are all combined and so are my wet. Now I'm going to put them together. I'm also going to add 1 cup of currants. I know my dough is completely combined when it sticks to the paddle attachment. I think we're ready. I'm going to knead the dough by hand on this cutting board. I'm going to sprinkle it with flour so it doesn't stick to anything. Watch as I do it. My bread has been kneaded into a round loaf. It's ready to go on my sheet pan. I'm going to use a large serrated knife to cut an X in the middle. And our loaf is ready to go in the oven. After 50 minutes in the oven, our bread is ready. Let's go back to the studio to see what our crew thinks.
Hello, is Owen Whalewander with Period 4 of the Pulse.
And I'm Amy Giovanni, also part of Period 4 of the Pulse.
And we are here to try Sarah's delicious Irish soda bread. Are you ready?
Of course.
3, 2, 1. That's better than my grandma's.
So good, Sarah.
I'm Emma Goodhart,
I'm Ella Bogue.
and we're trying Sarah's soda bread.
Cheers.
Tastes good?
Pretty good.
You're very Irish.
I know. This is an A+. Good job, Sarah.
Don't tell my grandma, but Sarah's was way better.
Did you hear how hot that oven had to be?
What was it, 325, 350?
No, it was 375.
Wow, that is really hot.
Speaking of hot, Ava and Ella went around the school this week to ask CHS students for some of their hot takes. Let's hear what they had to say.
Do I have to say my name? Hi,
Hi, welcome back to the CHS Pulse. This week we're asking students what their biggest hot take is. Come on, let's go! Today I'm here with
Sam.
and we're gonna ask her what is her biggest hot take.
Pete Davidson is so ugly.
I agree.
I love Pete Davidson. Oh, he's been getting a lot of hate because of Kanye, and a lot of people say he's ugly, but I think he's really attractive. So yeah.
And what is your biggest hot take?
That country music is the best kind of music.
Absolutely not.
Morgan Wallen is the best country singer.
What's your biggest hot take?
I gotta say that my biggest hot take would be that America's the best country.
Absolutely adore Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran #1. Ed Sheeran for president.
USA.
I think that Ed Sheeran is a good singer and he doesn't deserve the hate that he gets.
I'm in love with Ed Sheeran.
What's your biggest hot take?
Wisconsin's winning the Natty.
Johnny Davis is the best player in the country. Baylor 2P. Baylor 2P.
Marvel's better than DC. Goldfish should be sold in the cafeteria. Rainbow goldfish is the worst snack.
What's your biggest hot take?
That the Uncrustables and the pretzels are always out of stock. I don't like Harry Styles, and I don't think he's that good. So.
I don't like Harry Styles' music.
Dunkin' is better than Starbucks. No! Yes!
School food.
What about it?
It's really good. Everyone says, why are you eating school food? Like, I still ate it, because I'm a gremlin.
I don't love the cheese whiz on the hot dog, but school lunch is pretty damn good.
Watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently Grandpa just gives me a remote after we watch the Powerball.
I put Nate May #1 in Chatham at Fortnite.
Yeah, that's me.
That's the go right
That's
there.
me.
Yo, Hunter's too. Exactly.
Ketchup is disgusting.
Oh my God.
I don't like ketchup. Oh, same.
Euphoria is horrible.
Oh, that's true. I agree. I don't really like Euphoria, but second season is better than first season. I didn't like Outer Banks.
Whipped cream is awful.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It is awful.
It's not true.
Yes, it is.
Wearing socks to bed.
I personally do not like The Office, and I know that's controversial, but I think it's truthful.
Today I'm here with
Carlin Delaney.
and what's your biggest hot take?
Math is a better subject than English.
I don't like peanut butter.
And Chinese food is the worst type of food ever. It's disgusting.
Whoa.
Bold.
I think mayo is fine.
All right, what's your hot take?
I hate jelly.
Whoa, those hot takes were making me sweat.
Yeah, you know what's been making me sweat? The beating sun on my back while I'm playing baseball.
Are you going to the meeting?
What meeting are you talking about?
Oh, when you said sun, it made me think of Project Sunshine. They had their biggest meeting of the year last week.
Oh, awesome. Let's see what they did.
I'm Ellie, and I'm the president.
Quinn Hilgendorf, co-president.
I'm Chloe, and I'm the vice president of Project Sunshine.
Project Sunshine is a national nonprofit organization, but it has smaller chapters, and most of them are at the college level, but we started the first ever high school chapter.
So the mission of this club is to fundraise for pediatric patients and make their life in the hospital a little bit more bright.
They don't really have anything to do in hospitals because you're just kind of like sitting around in a hospital bed. You don't really have activities. So we try to put together these kits that give kids like fun activities to do while they're in their hospital bed.
So the purpose is to bring sunshine to a cloudy day and like to spread smiles. And it's not just about like the treatment, the medical treatment, but it's more about like ways to distract kids and pediatric patients from like the scary parts of their day.
The activity kits are sent to the kids in the hospital, and they basically there's a pamphlet in them that explains how they can use the different like toys and items in the bag to like make little art projects.
They actually were started like once COVID hit. There's all different types. We did STEM kits last year, and this year we're doing builder kits.
I think there's some fun things in there, even for people that aren't stuck to like a hospital bed, but it's mostly for people that, you know, can't really be mobile, can't be like throwing a football around. Instead, they're kind of in their bed, but it gives them something to do.
So I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I've spent time myself in the pediatric ward, so I always wanted to like find a way to give back, and I came across Project Sunshine, which not only helps like the pediatric patients, but it also helps like their whole families and the healthcare workers with them. So I thought it was a really great like idea and way to give back.
She just asked me like if I wanted to be the co-president with her, and I was just like thrilled to be able to do this opportunity because it's an amazing feeling to give back, and it's awesome when you really feel like you're having a major impact on the club.
My favorite part about the club is probably working with like all my best friends to help like a greater cause, and you feel like you're actually making a difference, and it's like that much more fun when you're doing it with your friends.
I'd say my favorite part about the club is like the community that it brings together, because we've like accumulated a lot of members. We're one of the biggest clubs in the school. I just love how many people it's able to bring together at the same time as helping out.
My favorite part about the club is how inclusive everyone is. We are like a very big club. We have just under 200 members, but everyone is really interested in Project Sunshine's message, and everyone just wants to participate, which is great.
Hit that subscribe button and
No, dude, listen to the line. All right, we're done. Thanks.
Smash that subscribe button and tune in for another episode
Of the Project Sunshine coming soon. Again.
Wow, they looked like they had so much fun.
Yeah, I think they really bond as a club, which is great to see.
Emma, we definitely had some class bonding this past week.
Are you talking about the time when
No,
we...
shh. Don't tell them. We have to show them the video instead. On a cold morning in L15 not too long ago, students walked into an unexpected surprise.
Oh my gosh, this Wordle is literally so hard today. I didn't even get it. Mr. Clark, what are we doing today? Mr. Clark? Why weren't you here? Because actually, I couldn't come in. Hey, Liz. I couldn't come in the first place. Oh, isn't he usually here right now? Yeah. Hey, Liz. Hi. Hey, Liz. Where's Mr. Clark?
Wait, Mr. Clark isn't here? Mr. Clark isn't here. Alright, class, what should we do today?
Oh, and get go through again. Get it.
Hello? Attendance? I'll get the attendance in right now. Okay, but... Well... Wow, that was so easy. I don't know how Mr. Clark always messes that one up. Let's see, grade book.
It says the grade book is now active. Can you change our grades?
I would if we all didn't have 100s.
Yeah, let's see if he has any snacks in there. This guy. Whoa! This is oh my gosh.
No! It's like a... This is a hard one.
This is Sarah and Ella.
Karaoke time. Come on.
Tequila! Seems so good. So good. I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes.
Arms are heavy, his vomit on his sweater already. Mom spaghetti, he's nervous. But on the surface, he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Testify the motion. Loving this devotion.
So sorry I'm late. There was so much traffic on Lafayette.
My favorite part is when Sarah and Ella went live on the YouTube channel. It makes me laugh every time.
Yeah, you know what else makes me laugh?
What?
The show Impractical Jokers. I used to watch it all the time. Did you know Murr from the show came to CMS this week?
No way. I want to see a highlight reel.
So this is Mr. Clark, and I am here with Murr from Impractical Jokers.
Hello, Mr. Clark. Hello, everybody at Chatham Middle School.
We are here to talk about his new book, Area 51 Interns. Today is the launch day.
That's
right?
it, today.
Today is the launch day.
It's awesome. First book is about aliens, of course. It is Area 51. The second book is about mythical creatures. My wallet also fell out of my pants onto the floor right below. The wallet's gone.
And Mr. Clark has it.
And Mr. Clark stole it. And then get carried with them to TV fame. That worked for me. It might work for you too. But the money has been taken out of my wallet by Mr. Clark.
We all get to watch it.
Yeah, you get to watch my embarrassment on TV.
Yeah. We had a couple of weird moments that happened. Never found the Jersey Devil, though.
My hair was fantastic in middle school. Look around, because I looked as good as you guys. Seriously. I had thick, luxurious head of hair. Oh my God, 3 weeks. Holy cow, 3 weeks. And we have Eric Andre.
Yes, I saw that. Yes, I saw that.
In The Punishment, it's hysterical.
Nice. Jersey's so lucky we get all the good stuff,
Yeah,
right? I was going to say, is this part of Impractical Jokers?
Right?
Is this a new episode we're
the
about to
interview
do?
ends. Eyebrows.
That looks terrifying. Oh my goodness. This has
So
been an
what-
exclusive interview with Murr for the CHS Pulse. This is Mr. Clark, and shout out to Quinn Carney, who's our awesome videographer for tonight. Thank
And
you
you
so
all
much.
get A's from Mr. Clark. He told me off camera, you all get A's. Don't even do the work. You don't need to. He
That's
was
it.
already going to give you an A.
That's it. Can't argue with that.
Wow, I want to watch the rest of it.
Well, you're in luck because the full version will be posted today on the YouTube channel. Look for the link below when this episode is over.
Actually, look right here because we're finished with this episode.
Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Emma.
And Owen signing off.
Have a happy St. Patrick's Day.